Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This approximately 4,200 square feet property is located in the amazing, well-established, and quiet community of Colbeck, St. Catherine. The community is surrounded by large homes with spacious green spaces. The property boasts a two-story building with 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 4 of which are ensuites, large kitchen, dining room, large living room, spacious laundry room, and enclosed veranda. There are also 2 unappointed rooms on the second floor that could be used as a den and office space. There is also a wraparound porch on the second floor and a covered patio space on the ground floor. There is a carport and a separate 890 square feet storage room and utility space along with a dog house. The property is well fruited and leveled for the most part. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to own this wonderful home. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 42 million or US $272.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.